Let's quickly review the basics of lip laceration repair. Lip repairs are all about precision, especially the vermilion border. Even a 1 millimeter mismatch is noticeable. First, clearly identify the vermilion border. This is the most important landmark in the entire repair. I like to mark it before anesthesia because once you inject, the tissue can distort and make alignment harder. Your first stitch goes right at the vermilion border. This is the key step. Everything else follows this. Use a simple interrupted stitch here. Take equal bites on both sides. Same depth, same distance. Small mismatches matter here. Even 1 millimeter can be noticeable. Gently approximate, don't over tighten. And once the vermilion border is aligned, continue with the rest of the stitches. If you're finding this video helpful, like and subscribe. It helps me keep making videos like this. As far as suture selection, for the skin, I typically use 6-0 Proline. Nylon works also if that's all you have available. I prefer Proline, it tends to have slightly less tissue reactivity. For mucosal involvement, use absorbable sutures, typically 5-0 Vicryl. Once the vermilion border is aligned, everything else falls into place. That's the most important part of this repair. Thank you for watching. See you next time.